Yo, what's up? I'm Jam.
We're Jizzy.
LS.
You know who we are.
We're about to
fucking
bust it.
faggot.
We're about to bust it for you. Got a little present for you.
God.
Cheer.
Nigga. Nigga.
Haystack.
You ain't nothing but a fat bitch.
Yo.
No. Alright. Yo. This is my song for YouTube. I guess I'm dissing Haystack and YouTube. This is how I do. If you can't stick with me, I guess you can't get through. You ain't nothing but a bitch. You'll be nothing when I'm through. Throw you in the toilet like you a piece of shit. I ain't falling for it. You a stupid bitch, and you can suck on my dick. You might even choke, and I might I'm gonna choke until I can't take off into the stars anymore.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, man.
Oh man.
Oh shit. Oh.
I'm a pussy monster. Kitty.
Oh.
This bitch screamed when I licked her titty.
Oh.
Put it down for her. Pull my pants down quick.
Ooh.
She can suck my dick and swallow that shit.
Oh.
Put it down on the track. Make you look back. LS got your back.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm back, bitch.
Yeah.
I said back 3 times in a row. Don't care cause my rap game will grow. Going to the top, LS in the air. You running your mouth, we get your ass out of there. Popping you off, giving you what you need. Smoking some weed, smoking those trees. LS, man. Y'all remember that?
Remember this name. You'll see us on iTunes soon.
Hell yeah. Yes, sir. I see you.
Catch you later, baby. Call me.
Oh yeah, I was supposed to just Haystack. Well, fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, bitch.
Like we can remember.
I don't give a fuck. That's how much you suck. I can't
Really?
even remember to diss you, man.
Yeah. Fuck. Josh, you'll like that one, bro.
Fuck.